Hey, yo, yo, yo. It's Anna. Hey, it's Christine Mahoosh.
It's Kelsey.
Kelsey's gonna do her stuff being weird.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead, Kelsey. Do what you do best.
Okay. Sitting on my toilet.
Oh my god.
Sitting on my toilet.
No, I mean
It's
something.
not even on me.
Oh.
Sitting on my toilet. I got the mouse. It's not even on me. It's over the houses. It's on the house. I like to blow bubbles and whack on.
Don't you whack me now. Can't get it open.
Pop. Pop.
Follow the bubble. Follow the bubble. Oh, I popped it.
Is that still recording? Ow. And once it goes beep, 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 beep. Ah. Me too. Give me one. That went in my mouth and it tastes gross. So if you like this video, just check the deeds. Send a comment. And thank you very much for watching this. Bye.